You have no authority.
You're not gonna fucking tell me.
It's on him.
No.
Hey, don't you touch me.
Here are moments when stupid cops attack their partners. In a dramatic clash of jurisdictions, Creek County Sheriff Brett Bowling and tribal officers engage in a heated standoff over the arrest and detention of a non-tribal individual.
Open this.
What is happening here? What is going on? Oh my God, this is all because me. I'm so sorry.
Who is it? Hey, you have to take your hands off of me before you get that whip.
I'm sorry.
Are you somebody with little... You're gonna put your hands on him?
Don't put your hands on me.
Hands on the captain.
No, come on.
Nope.
Out of my building, gentlemen. You're gonna go with us, I promise.
See, you keep putting
Hands off of me. Why don't you put your hands on me?
That's all my deal.
You put your hands on me first.
Jackson, that's a few else. My life was
This is going too.
They're refusing to take it.
Yeah, we don't recognize that you already did.
Okay, it's the state of Oklahoma.
That's not an option.
It is the director saying the law. The director of fleet?
Charlie, is on there?
Or the director of your jail? Hey, there's a big difference there.
Charlie, was there?
I don't even hear what you say.
Director of fleet?
No.
Or your jail?
Just like this incident, here are two police departments that went against each other.
He's gonna be okay, but you need to back up.
On January 30th, in a tense body cam captured incident, Lexington police officers and Cleveland County Sheriff's deputies clashed during a search for a heavily armed suspect accused of rape, revealing the complexities of interagency cooperation in high-stakes situations.
Tell me what the fuck is going on.
Tom right here.
Where's Captain Tom? Captain Hawk.
Yeah.
Where's Command?
Excuse me, sir.
What's going on?
We've realized that I'd like to know what's going on in my own damn city.
We would have notified you, sir.
We would have?
Yeah. Well, hold on.
I've been at the I've been down there at the PD all fucking day.
According to the call, it says Lexington was notified, they refused to respond because of the call.
Okay, I don't know who the fuck said that.
First of all, sir, I know you're the chief. I'm just telling you what the call says.
I don't appreciate all of this going on and nobody notified me a damn thing about it.
I'm sorry, what's your name? You're not gonna talk about chief like that, sir. That's not gonna happen.
You can get the fuck out of my face. I don't give a fuck who you are.
You know what I said.
Okay? This is my county, too.
Back up. No, you don't.
The altercation was caused by a lack of communication, as the Cleveland County Sheriff's deputies were responding to a SWAT call-out involving a heavily armed suspect without the Lexington police officers being properly informed or involved, which made them angry.
What the fuck's going on?
This is going to be good.
According to the call,
You need to stop.
Lexington PD was not.
Chill out. Back up. Everything's going to be okay. But you need to back up.
I get it that you're
You can
riled up, dude.
Negative.
But this right here ain't what
We're not going to be disrespectful. Okay.
Sheriff,
you need to back up out of my face, sir. You have no authority.
You're not gonna fucking tell me what to do, motherfucker. You're not gonna get in my sheriff's face. Just like you told me.
During the heated exchange, both departments escalated into a physical confrontation, with officers shouting and threatening arrests.
Motherfucker.
Get your hands off me, man. Back up, John.
Hey, pull him back.
No, he
He's
just
in the
came up to my
sheriff's
face
face.
and said the same
You're
shit.
getting ready to go to jail. This is our operation for South County. Understand?
Oh yeah. Perfectly fucking clear.
Go 10-8.
Perfectly clear. Let's go. Come on.
Talking about fights, here's a cop who attacked a police chief.
You threatened me.
In a startling incident in Bradley Beach, New Jersey, Police Chief Leonard Guida arrived intoxicated at a traffic accident scene, berating Sergeant William Major over his attire.
Why do you get a jacket on that's not fit to be worn? What's on the back of it? What do you mean? Look at it, tell me what's on the back of it.
Oh, they washed off.
Yeah, then get rid of it.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Okay.
You're a sergeant.
The confrontation escalated, with Guida attempting to remove Major from the scene, only to find himself on the hood of a patrol car.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Get over here.
I'm on a DWI. Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket,
Get
okay?
over here.
Don't you
Stop
touch
punching
me.
me.
Don't you touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You have a problem? Fuck. You grabbed me. Now get out of here before you get a problem.
Take him, man. Take him.
No, you're going to go in.
Take him.
Drunk again. Whose keys are these?
They're mine. Billy,
Get out of here.
No.
Chief, get out of here or you're going to get locked up.
No, you...
Chief, you're going to get locked up. You grabbed me. I asked you 3 times to leave me alone. You're obstructing my DWI.
Amid a struggle, Major, exasperated, warned Guida of potential arrest before the scuffle. The police chief fired Major at the scene.
Billy, come over here.
Let him go.
That's the first thing. Billy,
I'm trying to get away from everybody.
Shut up, because you're in trouble now. Stop,
I'm not
please,
in trouble.
Stop,
I'm not in
stop,
trouble.
stop.
You're gonna be in trouble.
Stop,
You're gonna be
Billy,
in trouble.
Billy.
Chief, I'm working at DWI.
I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Shut up.
No.
You're in trouble because this is the first thing. First of all, I was about to say to you, you stupid. I was about to say to you, what do you need OEM for?
You're embarrassing me in front of the men about the jacket.
No. That's neither here nor there.
Okay.
That's neither here nor there. Now we got a real fucking problem, Billy.
Yeah, we do.
I know.
We do.
All right, you're gonna have to go inside.
No, how about we do
No.
this?
No.
we go
Billy,
inside?
Billy, you're gonna have to go inside right now with me. You're gonna have to go inside and
We're in a serious collision.
Billy, you're not doing anything when I'm on the scene, okay? You should know better than this, my friend.
No.
Listen to me.
Grab me.
No, I said
You were out
come
of
over
line.
here.
You're out of line. You grabbed me. It's on video.
Billy,
It's on video. I'm not going to argue with it. I have a crash
Billy,
to work.
Billy,
I have a job
Billy,
to do.
You're
okay?
relieved. Billy, you're relieved.
Okay.
You're
I'll
relieved.
go home.
No. Billy, you have to understand something. You're relieved. Billy, you're relieved. Go home in the headquarters and wait for me.
Yeah, it's on my crash.
No, Billy, you're relieved.
I have
Billy.
officers here.
Billy.
Right here. They could get waffled because my car is
Billy.
blocking it.
Billy, you're relieved.
No, Chief.
No, Billy. Please, Billy. Don't. You're suspended, Billy.
I'm
You're
suspended?
Yes.
Okay. I'm suspended. I'm going home.
Yes. Billy.
The chief himself was ultimately placed on paid administrative leave pending further investigation, while Sergeant Major has since returned to work full-time. When you think you've seen it all, here's a cop who attacked a female partner.
Sit down!
On a fateful day in November 2021, the tranquility of a local grocery store was shattered by chaos. Officer Christopher Police, a seasoned senior officer, responded to reports of a disturbance involving a man's aggressive behavior, particularly targeting vulnerable elderly individuals. However, amidst the escalating tension, Officer Police shocked onlookers when he assaulted his own female partner.
But I don't understand why you don't want to talk.
It don't matter. I don't
It
want to
does
talk.
matter.
It don't matter. It's my right.
But it
I
does
can speak
matter.
y'all if I don't want to.
Because if you were involved in something, we need to figure out what's going on.
Wasn't, and y'all steady follow me. If I open fire on 1, 2, and 3, I told y'all.
So are you threatening? Are you threatening us with
Take it how
that?
you want to take
I'm
it.
just saying, are you?
Stop following me, please. I'm actually nice.
Sorry, you have to be back. Subject is first what?
Subject is threatening to open fire this time at the same firearms.
The police returned to the store to investigate what had occurred.
Hey, talk to me. Talk to me.
All right, my name is Jerry Burwell.
Hi.
All right. So when he walked out the store, right?
Uh-huh.
He walked out the store. This man right here. He walked out
This
the
one?
store.
This one? No, I'm saying this one.
This one right here. He hit him. He hit him.
He hit who?
He hit him.
Wait, I'm confused, but who hit him?
The guy, the
Oh, the guy
right
that
there.
left.
Yeah.
Okay.
He hit him, right? He hit him. So he fell. When he said that, he fell, right? So we doing like this. So a brother right here,
Okay.
he's deaf, and his sister, and then he went off on them. Then he went like this to the back of my head and went like this. I'm the man, you're wrong. You didn't know what.
After the investigation, they pursued the suspect who kept running from the police.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Put your hands out of your pocket. Sit down. Sit down. Get your hands out of your pocket.
If you gonna shoot me, shoot me.
Get your hands out of your pocket. Put your hands out of your pocket.
Am I being arrested? No.
Get on the ground.
Am I being detained?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You already got tased.
Well, do what you gotta do.
Get on the ground. It's not working. You will get tased. Get on the ground.
That's plenty of problem.
Get on the ground.
I ain't doing nothing.
Get on the ground. I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground.
I got contact, guys. I got contact.
Get on the fucking ground.
Right now. Drop down one knee, bro. Y'all all running off like what? I feel like y'all. Y'all want me to get up now? Get up. Yeah. All right. Check him. Sitting back my call. Check him.
The hands? Now he got a cramp.
What's wrong with your leg?
Look at my right leg.
Nothing right now.
Right now. Fuck what you doing. I'm in pain.
I can't hear you.
Hey, miss, can you stop pushing the handcuffs on my wrist? She's pushing the handcuffs on my wrist, bro.
You asked for fire rescue. Which one do you want me to do?
It don't matter
I
what
can't
you
do them both at the same time.
Yeah, you
No, I can't.
Hold on. I just gotta scratch out this.
So I can tell rescue what's going on. Hey, hold on a second.
During the arrest, Officer Police lost control and confronted the suspect, prompting a female officer to intervene. In response, Officer Police grabbed her by the neck, choking her in a desperate bid to control the chaotic scene.
All right, I'm getting in. Get your feet in.
What's up? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You want to play games? You play with the wrong
Gotta do, man. You gonna mace me?
Look at me. You want to play games? You ever get disrespectful with my officers? I will remove your soul from your body.
Well, do it, man. Do what you gotta do.
Don't ever touch me again.
Sir.
Get the off me.
Sir.
Do what you gotta do.
No.
Touch me again. Get the off.
Just let it be.
Do what you gotta do.
No.
Do what you gotta do.
No.
Touch me again.
Sir.
Get the off.
Sir. Just let it be.
I don't understand that.
You clear?
Yes, sir.
And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Alright, so what the update is stating is that they do have video surveillance available and what they can.
Everybody turn off the cameras.
Over the first.
In the aftermath, Christopher Police faced swift and severe public backlash for his actions. He was charged with assault and misconduct, sparking widespread outrage and calls for accountability. While an internal affairs investigation was underway, Sergeant Christopher Douglas Police unexpectedly retired in November 2022 amid ongoing scrutiny and disciplinary proceedings. Talking about heated arrest, here are cops who tried to arrest each other.
Pull the video at Valero. You get on my traffic stop again, I will arrest you.
This viral footage shows Georgia Sheriff Ken Henderson and Sergeant Tracy James of Hiawassee PD threatening to arrest each other during a traffic stop.
Do it, buddy.
And we're gonna
do it.
charge you
Do it.
your ignorant.
Do it, Ode.
Go for
Do it. There's cameras at Valero and there's cameras at Napa that see you pulled out.
Shut your mouth.
You don't talk to me like that. I'm not your boy.
Talk to you, boy.
It all began when Sheriff Ken Henderson intervened in a traffic stop conducted by Sergeant Tracy James of the Hiawassee Police Department, sparking a heated exchange over the citation and suspected infraction, escalating tensions between the officers.
Inside the city or out here?
Just right here.
Okay.
Go pull the video at Valero. You get on my traffic stop again, I will arrest you.
Yeah, I'll arrest you right now.
Do it, buddy.
And we're gonna
do it.
charge you
Do it.
your ignorant.
Do it, Ode.
Go for
Do it. There's cameras at Valero and there's cameras at Napa that see you pulled out.
Shut your mouth.
You don't talk to me like that. I'm not your boy.
Talk to you, boy. You a boy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Down 302 and 6.
The confrontation concluded with the officers eventually separating and going their separate ways, underscoring the volatile nature of such disagreements within law enforcement. Subscribe for more videos like this. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.